Hey guys, I'm Mark.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So today, we are going to be making the best Halloween movie snack. Let's get to it.
Okay, so if you're new to this channel, we are two twins who really enjoy baking, and we have for a very long time. And so we want to show you the fun of baking and some of our recipes.
Okay, so you are going to need a medium-sized pumpkin, some carving tools, which are a knife, maybe a large spoon, and then make sure to get an adult to supervise, or a guardian, because you're using a knife and knives are sharp, and also you're going to make a big mess, so you probably need help clean that up.
Okay, so we separated them, and now we're gonna soak them in warm water, like the pumpkin seeds, just to separate the pumpkin from the seeds.
Okay, so we transfer this to a strainer after keeping it in warm water for about 5 minutes. And we're just gonna keep on moving it around to see if there are any pieces of pumpkin still in there to get it out. Okay, so quickly gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna get our pumpkin seeds and just lay it on the pan. And spread it out. You can see that there's still some pumpkin in there. That's fine, just take that out. Okay, then we're gonna get a paper towel, place it on, and just dry them out.
They're still wet.
Then we're gonna get some salt, just sprinkle it on top. Just a quick sprinkle. Okay, so now we're going to put this in the oven at we preheat it at 350. We're gonna put it in and bake it for about 7 to 10 minutes.
So this snack, it's really good for movies, I guess, because you can just snack on them. And the thing is, it's not a dessert, but it's so good, so we have to make a video of it. It's just amazing, and it's really simple. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Make sure to subscribe, as it will really help us out.
And yeah, check out our website, link below.
And also our Instagram, also linked below.
And yeah, we'll see you in our next video, and make sure to try these, as they're really simple. And yeah,
See ya.